Are you spending hours studying but still feel stuck? It's frustrating, right? But the problem isn't how much time you're putting in, it's how you're studying. Today, I'll reveal the 3 biggest mistakes students make when studying and show you how to fix them. Stick around to the end for actionable tips that'll transform your results. Let's dive in. First up, multitasking. You might think you're being productive by studying while texting or watching TV, but research shows multitasking drastically reduces focus and retention. Here's the fix. Try the Pomodoro technique. Work on one task for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. Use a timer or an app to stay disciplined. By giving your full attention to one thing, you'll absorb more in less time. The second mistake is passive studying. Highlighting every sentence or rereading your notes might feel productive, but it doesn't help you retain information. Here's what works. Use active recall. For example, quiz yourself on key points or try explaining concepts in your own words. Another tip is the Feynman technique. Teach the material to someone as if they're a beginner. Teaching forces you to understand the topic deeply. The third mistake? No plan. Diving into random topics without a structure leads to wasted time and missed priorities. The fix: create a study schedule. Break your syllabus into small, manageable chunks. For example, dedicate specific days to specific subjects or topics. Use a planner or an app like Notion or Google Calendar to stay organized. Setting clear goals keeps you on track and reduces overwhelm. Now that we've tackled the big mistakes, here are a few bonus tips to supercharge your studying. 1. Set up a distraction-free workspace. Keep your desk tidy and your phone away. 2. Take breaks. Your brain needs rest to process information. Don't skip those breaks. 3. Review regularly. Spaced repetition helps you move information from short-term to long-term memory. So, are you ready to take your studying to the next level? Remember, focus on one task at a time. Use active recall instead of passive techniques. Plan your study sessions. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more study tips. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when it comes to studying? Let's work on it together. See you in the next video. Star.